Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo semuanya, apa kabar? Welcome back to my YouTube channel with me Dwi Utoyo Putra. In this video we will discuss about frequency adverb, ya. Always, often, sometimes, ya in English. So frequency as adverb in general is an adverb that describe how often something happen or is done. And also namely definite frequency and indefinite frequency. Yeah, like that. Yeah, always, usually, frequently, like that. Interest is the most important material, so you must focus and prepare your book, your pen, and also your meal. Yeah. Let's we start the video. Okay, frequency adverb. We have always, usually, yeah. Okay, the first, always. Always in English, in bahasa is selalu, ya, selalu, selalu, try, ya, selalu, selalu. The example is apa ya? I always drink a cup of coffee in the morning. Saya selalu minum segelas kopi di pagi hari. Morning, pagi. A cup of coffee, segelas kopi, ya. I always, saya selalu, drink, ya, minum, ya. Read on your book. Minum, ya, drink. A cup of coffee, segelas kopi in the morning. Di pagi hari, morning. Okay, example like that. And the next we have usually. Usually in English, in bahasa is biasanya, ya, biasanya. So always and usually apa ya? Always and usually is not the same, ya. For percentage, always is 100%, ya. Usually is 90%. Understand? I always drink a cup of coffee in the morning. So 100% that activity, drink coffee in the morning, I always do, ya. 100% I always do, always, selalu, ya. But usually it's not mean that I always drink a coffee like that. So the example is like this. Hari, day, Senin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumat, Sabtu, Minggu. Okay? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and also Sunday. I always drink a cup of a coffee in the morning. ya, always. So hari Senin, hari Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumat, Sabtu, Minggu. Aku minum kopi di pagi hari, ya. Senin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumat, Sabtu, Minggu. Ya. But Senin I drink. Selasa I drink, saya minum, aku minum. Rabu aku minum. Kamis aku minum kopi. Jumat aku minum kopi. Sabtu aku minum kopi. Minggu aku tidak minum kopi. Usually. Do we usually drink a cup of a coffee in the morning? Ya. Because do we on Monday until Saturday, do we drink a cup of a coffee in the morning? But on the Saturday, do we isn't drinking a cup of a coffee? Usually, do we usually drink a cup of a coffee on the morning? Ya, ya. Always, selalu. Usual, biasanya. Always, 100%, it will be doing. Ya, it will be do. Always, 100%. But usually is 90%, it will be doing. Ya, kurang lebih kayak gitulah. Oke, next we have normally. Normally apa tuh? Normally and usually is apa ya? Ya, we have the same meaning, ya. In English usually, in usually and also normally. In bahasa the same, biasanya. Okay. So in English maybe usually is highest percentage, ya, 90%, and normally it's above 80%, ya. Usually 90%, 90%. Normally 80%, 80%. But in bahasa, normally and also usually is the same meaning, is biasanya. Oke. Ya. Always, selalu. Usually and also normally in English, in bahasa is biasanya. Okay, next we have often. I often come to my grandma house. Saya or aku, ya, saya sering datang ke rumah nenekku. I often come to my grandma's house. Often, sering, ya. Sering, it's about maybe 70%, 70%, ya, to percentage of frequency. Okay, the example like that. I often They often come to my house. Mereka sering datang ke rumahku. Sering, okay? Sering. It's not always. It's not selalu. Isn't, okay? Isn't selalu. Isn't biasanya, but sering. Ya. Often. If you have a question, you can direct message me on my Instagram, or you can read down on the comment below. I will check, I will reply. Okay, next we have sometimes. Ya, sometimes. Sometimes, kadang-kadang. Sometimes in English, in bahasa is kadang-kadang. Kadang-kadang. Ya. Sometimes, apa ya? The example is sometimes my father picks me up from school. Kadang-kadang ayahku menjemputku dari sekolah. Ya, kadang-kadang, sometimes ya, not always. So it means my father isn't pick me up from school. Not every day ya, not every day. Ya, the example is today is Monday. Hari ini adalah Senin. My father, ya, doesn't pick me up from school. Ya, maybe the following day. But on the following day, it means is Selasa, ya, Senin, after Senin, Selasa, ya, maybe today my father will pick me up from school. But today, Selasa, my father doesn't pick me up. Ya, maybe the following day, ya, on Wednesday, Rabu, ya. Senin, ya, Senin my father didn't pick me. Selasa my father didn't pick me. Ya, maybe the following day. Ya, on Wednesday my father picks me up from school. Hari Rabu ayahku menjemputku dari sekolah. Ya, oke, Rabu, ya, Wednesday. And the following day, maybe my father, and then on the following day, my father didn't pick me. Ya, maybe the following day, ya, my father pick me. Okay, on the Friday, Jumat, ya. So, Senin and also Selasa, my father didn't pick me. Ya, didn't pick me up. And on the Wednesday, my father picks me up. Kamis, my father didn't pick me up. And on the Friday, my father picked me up. So, sometimes my father picks me up from the school. Sometimes in English, in bahasa is kadang-kadang, or Indonesian people also call it terkadang, ya. Terkadang and also kadang-kadang. In English is sometimes. Understand? Sometimes 50% it will be doing. Understand? Next, we have seldom. Seldom or rarely, ya. Jarang. Ya. Seldom or rarely in English, in bahasa is jarang. Okay, jarang. So jarang is under kadang-kadang or terkadang, ya. So always, usually, often, sometimes, ya, jarang, kadang-kadang or terkadang, and below, the below of Kadang-kadang is jarang. Jarang. Seldom or rarely. Okay? Seldom or rarely it's 10%. 10% that it will doing. The example is apa ya? My brother rarely has breakfast before going to school. Kakakku jarang sarapan sebelum pergi ke sekolah. It's so rarely, so jarang, rarely ya. The example is my brother breakfast ya, rarely kadang-kadang, breakfast sarapan in bahasa ya. Kakakku jarang sarapan before go to the school, sebelum pergi ke sekolah, rarely. So on Monday ya, Senin, we use Indonesian language on day, okay? Senin, kakakku, my brother, isn't breakfast on the morning, ya. Selasa, same. Kakakku tidak sarapan, isn't breakfast today. And Wednesday, Rabu, my brother isn't breakfast today. Kakakku tidak sarapan pagi ini. And also the following day, Kamis. And also Friday, Jumat. But in the Saturday, my brother is breakfast on the morning. So rarely my brother breakfast on the morning, ya. Rarely. Okay, rarely is about 10%. It will be doing. Okay, next we have hardly ever. Hardly ever is hampir tidak pernah. In bahasa is hampir tidak pernah. So the example like my brother, ya. Di hari Senin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumat, Sabtu, and Minggu, ya. A week, my brother wasn't breakfast, ya. And the next week, Senin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, ya, Kamis, Jumat, on the Friday, my brother breakfast, ya, Jumat, Sabtu, Minggu, and next week, Senin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumat, Sabtu, Minggu, ya, 7 days, my brother wasn't breakfast. And the next week, minggu depan, Senin, Selasa, Rabu, on the Wednesday, he is breakfast on the morning, ya, like that. So hampir tidak pernah, hardly ever. And the last is never, ya, never. Never is tidak pernah. My brother never breakfast on the morning. So, because he is busy every morning, every day, so he has a time to eat for the lunch. ya. Saudaraku, kakakku, my brother, tidak pernah sarapan di pagi hari karena dia sibuk. Dia baru bisa makan saat jam makan siang, lunch, remind, lunch, makan siang. Oke, finish? Have a question? You confused? Okay, let's we repeat. Adverb of frequency in bahasa. In Indonesian language, we have always. Always is selalu, ya. Usually and also normally is biasanya, ya. Biasanya. Next, we have often, sering, and sometimes, kadang-kadang or terkadang. And next, we have seldom or rarely, jarang, and also hardly ever, hampir tidak pernah, and the last is never, tidak pernah, tidak pernah. Okay, finish. If you feel confused or have a question, you can direct message me on my account Instagram, or you can read down on the comment column. I will check, I will reply. We learn together, we discuss together. Oke? Sekian video dari saya, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Keep healthy, always be kind, and sampai jumpa.